Hello friends, next topic in our tachyometric surveying, we have seen about the stadia method. In that the stadia are fixed, that is I, small I is fixed in the instrument. Now another one is available is movable hair method. Here the staff intercept is kept constant, that is S is kept constant, but the stadia hair is variable. For this the normal theodolite is used, but additional setup will be there such that the staff stadia intercept can be varied, right? Such theodolite is called the substance theodolite. In this movable hair method also, it can be done either in vertical direction or in the horizontal direction. So first we will see about the vertical direction. The diaphragm consists of a central wire fixed with the axis of the telescope. See here the fixed hair, right? The upper and lower stadia wires can be moved by micrometer screw in a vertical plane. See here, upper movable hair and the lower movable hair, these two can be moved this way by rotating the screw, right? This screw, micrometer screw, based on the number of rotation, how much we have varied the distance of the stadia intercept can be measured. Here there is a measurement also. This setup will be the additional setup in the diaphragm of the theodolite, right? So such theodolite is called the substance theodolite. The distance by which the stadia wires are moved is measured according to the number of turns of the micrometer screws. Next is based on the horizontal bar. This is called the substance bar. From the image you can see there is a horizontal bar used in the substance system of surveying by tachyometry. It is held at a distant point, and its distance is calculated from its known length and the angle that is substance at the observer side. See, for holding this substance bar also we require the tripod. In this we have to set up this substance bar. There will be a bubble tube also to maintain the standard leveling, and these are the targets. In some other substance bar it will be in circular shape with red and black marking. Some other is look like white marking, right? So this distance from center to this is fixed, and this tripod with the substance bar will be fixed such that from that point I required my distance to my instrument position. So the instrument will be set up such a way that from that position I require the distance for this point. For how I can determine the distance? Here we require the normal theodolite. Even the single cross hair, middle hair, it's alone it's enough. So I have to focus from the instrument position to either this side to this side, so I can get the horizontal angle between these two, and this distance I know, right? So it forms a triangle such a way that the center line forms the exact right angle triangle and the known distance, so that known distance and the angle I can get the horizontal distance between the instrument station and the point I required, right? This is the methodology adopted. This is an instrument used for measuring the horizontal distance between the instrument station and a station where the substance bar is to be set up. Substance method is an indirect method of distance determination. This method essentially consists of measuring the angle subtended by two ends of the horizontal rod of fixed length called the substance bar. In this method, a staff or target rod is not necessary, and the theodolite required is also an ordinary transit type is enough. The substance bar is a metal bar of length varying from 3 meter to 4 meter, either 3 meter or 4 meter. There are two discs of diameter about 20 centimeter at both ends. In our case, it is in triangle shape, right? The discs are painted black or red in front and white on the other side. In our case, it is in white. The alidade is made perpendicular to the axis of the bar, such that I can maintain the perpendicularity above the substance bar and the instrument theodolite. The split level is included for leveling. The bar is mounted on the tripod stand, which contains a ball and socket arrangement for leveling purpose. Right. So the known distance, the total horizontal intercept is S. The half is S by 2, S by 2. This is the position where I have set my theodolite. From that, I can view the A and B, and I can get the horizontal angle. This is the horizontal angle. So if it is exactly the point and it is perpendicular to the center of the substance bar tripod, then this angle also equally splitted. So this forms a right angle triangle, and this distance I know and angle I know, I can get the distance and I can do the check also. Since if it is equal, both the angle must be same, right? So this is the concept for using the substance bar, and it is also again an indirect methodology, right?